Hi all, my name is Shelley and I'm the owner of SM Henderson Tax and Business Services. I provide tax preparation and bookkeeping services for individuals, small businesses, and nonprofit organizations. I often get questions from my clients regarding exporting reports into Excel. So I want to provide a few quick tutorials on getting the most out of Excel for your company. Today's topic is automatically formatting the number field. When you export a large report, such as a profit and loss detail, there are times you're not going to be able to see some of the totals. And I'm going to show you a quick way to fix this issue. You can see it says sample company up here. And we're going to go down and we're going to look at the reports. In the reports, I want to go to the profit and loss detail because this is one of the largest reports that you usually pull. It's going to give you a breakdown of each category of your profit and loss. And this report is beneficial when you're having a board meeting or things like that, when you might not have access to QuickBooks. You can actually print this out into Excel and share it with your board members if you'd like to. So we're going to click on the profit and loss detail here. And we're going to go up and I want to make sure that I have this entire year. So the date is September the 15th, and we're going to run this in a cash report. We're going to go ahead and export this into Excel. To do that, I'm just going to click here. You have the PDF option as well. And it's going to pop up right down here. You can see some of the total amounts have been blocked out. That's simply because the columns are too narrow to show all the numbers. So what we're going to do is go up here and we're going to do a quick little trick. You're going to press this little arrow, and that's going to highlight the entire page for you. Then we're going to go to the very first column, and I know this is not the column we have a problem with, but we're going to go to this very first column, and I'm going to double click right here. So you see that Excel allowed us to automatically format each column. Everything fits correctly now. Sometimes you'll need to do your rows as well. So you do the same exact thing, click that little button up there, or if it's already highlighted, you don't have to click again. And then you're just going to double click on a row. So let's say that our issue was with a row and not a column. Let's say we had a few rows here that had gotten just big. And do two. This makes your report look not as professional as it should. So what we're going to do here, same thing like we did with the columns, click up here, and then I'm just going to come down to one of the rows, double click, and it's going to automatically format that for me. This is the first quick Excel tutorial. Please join me again next time for other tips and tricks for navigating QuickBooks, Excel, or both. Have a blessed day all.